Today, Ida decided to conquer the garden. What I mean by that is her choosing to plant some seeds from her endless packets there. Seems like she ended up going for some salad. Interesting. One way to entertain our pets and make sure that they are not in the way while you work is to attach them together via a stick. Sometimes this tug of war can go on for ages. Usually Prim wins though. Poor Vulture. Here we have evidence of using some sort of dog-chewed contraption. I'm guessing Vulture chewed it. She's using it to spread the seeds, but doing this out of the packet works just as well. By the way, let me show you Vulture in slow motion, because that is something else. Now Edense decided to plant some more tomatoes so she can add them to her extensive collection. Some of them already started growing, which reminded me to get a move on with that greenhouse. So I lit a fire, got myself a wee apple beverage, and started designing the greenhouse on SketchUp. While doing this, all our pets managed to cozy themselves in the house. Prim is definitely having some deep thoughts there. Shortly after, Ida's dad Mitko arrived, so we made some pizza and played Catan to finish off the day. Things might have gotten out of control. Just a little bit. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Ciao.